Hello. So this is another journal. This one I created three journals similar with the envelopes. So these are they are tall and skinny, and they are envelopes. So I created a big journaling card. So and it helps to give more stability in the cover to the cover. These are things that are created by me. This is coffee dyed with bubble wrap uh, plastic. These backgrounds created by me. This is a metallic paint, so I don't know how well you can see. It looks a little bit blurry. There is plenty of space to write. It's a book page. This is green, metallic green. More paper, coffee dyed paper. This is blue, metallic blue. This is the middle of the journal. All of these only have one signature. The other book, the other side of the book page, the other side of the brown paper from the paper bag. These are those journaling spots. This is the paper bag where you can store things. This is the end. Oh, I need to put my stamp here. Okay, and this is the other journaling card. It's a big one because they really give more strength to the cover. So this one I know that I need to glue my stamp there. Okay, I'm gonna leave the link below in the description box if you want to buy this journal. Thank you for watching. Bye.